What if you could easily access your favorite apps while driving your car? Honda, with Google built in, allows you to access Google Play, where you can download a variety of apps. All your favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks will be seamlessly synchronized.
Hey Google, what's the latest news?
And you can check the latest news and customize the apps you frequently use to suit your style. Get started with the new Honda with Google built in and enjoy a new driving experience. What if your destination is the place you found on your smartphone? And that can be seamlessly shown on your car's screen. Honda, with Google built in, can do just that. Simply log in to link your car to your Google account. Use your voice and find your favorite places listed, ready to go, and all easily done with help from Google.
Hey Google, take me home.
You can ask Google to tell you about the traffic.
Hey Google, how is the traffic?
And how much further you can drive before refueling.
Hey Google, how far can I drive?
Your car should be able to go another 7
Yes.
miles.
With hands-free help from Google and a responsive screen, you can enjoy the same ease of use as your smartphone. The new Honda with Google built in.
Hey Google, call Lily.
You can now enjoy the convenience of Google apps and services
Hi Lily, how have you been?
from the comfort of your Honda. In your Honda with Google built in, just talk to Google for hands-free help.
Hey Google, find the nearest cafe.
Simply use your voice to find the route to your destination, so you can keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Talk to Google to check if you have enough range to get to your destination.
Hey Google, how far can I drive?
Your car should be able to go another 7 miles.
Or to adjust the air conditioner.
Hey Google, set the passenger temperature to 70 degrees.
Okay, setting the temperature to 70 degrees.
You can download your favorite apps. If you want to listen to music, just ask Google like you would at home.
Hey Google, play a song on YouTube Music.
And all your calls can be made hands-free.
Hey Google, call Mark.
Calling Mark.
Hello?
Hi Mark, it's Sarah.
Welcome to a smarter and more comfortable way of driving when Honda with Google built in puts you in the driver's seat.